What's the meaning of asynchronous? Asynchronous. Asynchronous.
Asynchronous. Asynchronous. Asynchronous refers to a type of communication where the sender and receiver do not operate in sync with each other. In an asynchronous system, the sender sends data to the receiver without waiting for a response. The receiver can then process the data at its own pace, without blocking the sender from continuing to send more data. This approach is often used in computer networking and programming for handling multiple tasks simultaneously, improving overall performance and efficiency. Asynchronous communication allows for greater flexibility and scalability in systems that handle large amounts of data or many users simultaneously.